Install the steel bowl to the main body. Install the food bucket onto the main body. Slide the locks on both sides of the main body in the direction indicated by the lock and lock symbols to lock the food bucket. Add pet food to the food bucket. Note: only use dry food with a grain size of 0.0 to 0.47 in. Do not use wet, irregular shaped, or oversized pellets, as they may damage the feeding structure. Close the top lid. Plug in the power adapter to turn on the appliance. Short press the feed button. The unit will dispense one portion of food. Long press the feed button for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. When the food bucket is empty, the left and right indicators will flash in red alternately with a 5-second long beep. The buzzer continues if not refilled within 1 minute and stops once food level passes the sensor. Plug in the unit. The two indicators will flash in blue, indicating the appliance has entered Wi-Fi Bluetooth pairing mode. Open the app and click on Add Device. Click on Pet Feeder. Choose Current Wi-Fi. Enter password. Tap Next. App redirects to phone Wi-Fi settings. Select Feeder Hotspot. Note: if you cannot find the feeder hotspot, press the reset button for 10 seconds. Then you will hear a prompt sound and see the indicators flashing, meaning the appliance enters into connecting mode. The app begins pairing. Wait for the pairing to complete. Once connected, the indicators will illuminate in blue solidly, and the appliance enters the standby mode. Open the app and click on Add Device. Select Small Appliances, Pet Feeder with Camera or Pet Feeder with Camera Wi-Fi. Tap Next, select Current Wi-Fi and enter password. Confirm details and continue. When QR code appears on phone, hold it 6 to 8 inches in front of feeder camera, centered. Wait for the connection to complete. Note: the iOS and Android interfaces may vary slightly. Tap the feed icon to enter the feeding settings page. Click on Short Record. One beep can be heard and the voice recording can be started. Click the short record again. 2 beeps can be heard and the voice recording is completed and play once. Note: the maximum recording time is 10 seconds, and the next recording will overwrite the previous one. You can set portions up to 12, about 10 each portion. Tap Feed to dispense food immediately. Recorded voice plays simultaneously. Note: it is normal if no food is dispensed during the first portion when using the feeder for the first time. Tap Schedule to set scheduled feeding plans. Tap Add Timing to create plans with portion size, days of the week, and repetition. Save each plan. Up to 8 timers allowed. Hold and delete timers as needed. Toggle record to start or stop video recording. The captured video can be saved in real time in the TF card or your default phone gallery. Click on the screenshot icon, and the appliance will take the current picture and save it. Note: the Android and iOS systems work differently. On Android, photos are accessible directly in the Toy Apps album, while on iOS, you need to find them in the default Photos app. The app illustrated in the video is Home Direct on iOS. Click on Talk to perform real-time intercom. Note: you can set the intercom to one-way or bidirectional in basic function settings. Click on the icon at the upper right corner of the control interface. Click on Basic Function Settings, then click on Screen Flip, and return to the interface of image. At that time, the screen shown can be flipped, and the screen is facing forward when viewing in full screen. To connect with other mobile devices, use the connected device to share access with another device, or remove the paired device, then reconnect.